Good morning, students. Like I said, my name is Mr. Gumende, and no need to know my first name, but my second name is Mr. Gumende. So for today, we are going to be learning about fractions. So does anyone know something about fractions, or let me just say, what are fractions? You raise up your hand. Yes, Mr. Zimande?
Yes, a fraction, it is a numerical quantity that is not a whole.
Exactly, thank you very much. You just explained it as it is on our books, but you are very correct, let's not say but we're going to have a short video, a 2-minute video that we're going to be, it's going to outline everything about our lesson for today, but we're going to play it very short because we are running out of time, so I'm going to play it now.
Fractions.
Remember, listen carefully here.
Understanding fractions can be easy as 1, 2, 3. Just watch this video and you'll be using fractions with ease. It's easy to count whole things like a pizza, a pie, or a donut. But what if we only had part of one? How would we count it then? We use fractions. A fraction looks like this. The bottom number is called the denominator. It shows how many equal pieces an object has been divided into. The top number is called the numerator. It shows how many parts of the denominator you are looking at. For example, a pizza is usually divided into 8 slices. That means that in a fraction, the denominator would be 8. If you normally eat 1 slice of pizza, then 1 would be the numerator. That means that you eat 1/8 of a pizza. If you normally eat 2 slices of pizza, then 2 would be the numerator. The denominator would still be 8 since there are always 8 slices of pizza. That would mean that you eat 2/8 of a pizza. Let's try another example.
I'm going to pause my video here for now, but I'm going to explain something. First, they perfectly explained in our video what I like about them. Let me first start here. As we all know, in a fraction we have 2 numbers there, and then we have a line. So the bottom number is called the denominator, and the up number is called the numerator. So the difference in these two, the denominator is always at the bottom, and then the numerator is always above the line. So we have a number that is above the line, and a number that is below the line. So a denominator is a whole, something that we have as a whole. So that, for instance, if we have 1 apple, unfortunately I did not bring my apple, but in our next video I'll bring it. Okay, let me show you an example of this. We're going to have a little tissue here, and we're going to show you this tissue is 2 pieces, and it is 1 whole. And if I tear this tissue apart, we have 2 halves, of which means our denominator, if we mix it, it's going to be 2, and then our numerator is going to be 2. Do you get the point? But let's not focus on that because it was an example, a small example. So what I like about this video, they talked about, unfortunately there have been some problems. They taught us about the denominator and the numerator, but we'll look into that for further in our lesson. And what I did here was to explain to you that if you eat 1 piece of pizza, you will get 1. And then in total, the whole pizza is going to be 8. I'm thinking that is very, very clear. Let me continue to click this, like they explained here. If you eat 1 piece of the pizza, you get 1 as our numerator, and then this line is, and below, the below number represents our whole pizza. So this number tells us that we have a whole piece.
Yes,
we will talk about everything in the next episode. Thank you.